ई ट्रैवल फैन, दिस इज मानसी ओझा और आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी व्हाट इज देयर इन माय कैमरा बैग। आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू व्हाट ऑल इक्विपमेंट्स आई यूज फॉर द फोटोग्राफी एंड फॉर माय वीडियोस। दिस बैग आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम Amazon around 2 years back and it's very good. It has compartments so I can put all my cameras and my tripods and everything separate in this bag. Let's get into the video and see what are my camera equipments. This is my bag and this is all things are there inside my bag. Let me introduce you to my baby, my camera, my DSLR. This is Canon 760D. I got this camera around 4 to 5 years back. It has a lens with length of 18 to 135. Initially when I bought this camera, I was only looking at photography and this is my second camera. Before this, I've used Canon's 1100D for almost 3 to 4 years. After that, I sold that and upgraded to 760D. I also have two more lenses. I have my 55 to 250 zoom lens and I also have 50mm prime lens. When I had 1100D, the lens was from 18 to 50 and then 55 to 250 is another lens. And that's why when I bought this camera, which has a better lens, which is 18 to 135, this additional lens I didn't sold it off and I kept it with me so I can use this lens with this camera. And obviously for a portrait photography and for a better aperture, I actually bought this prime lens. I started off with a base camera and then once I became confident and once I learned a lot about photography, then only I upgraded my camera. So if you are starting off and if you are thinking of investment, start with a basic investment and then upgrade yourself rather than upgrading to a higher level. You can actually do it if you have money to do it, but if you are like me who thinks 10 times before any purchase, then I would suggest start with the basic and then move on. Now apart from this, I also have a GoPro, but this GoPro is not mine. This is my brother's GoPro which I borrowed it and I'm supposed to return to him, but I have not returned it yet. This GoPro is the first generation GoPro. Basically this tripod is from my another friend which I again borrowed it but not returned it. I just use it underwater or if I'm doing some adventure. So this is not my vlogging GoPro. अगर आपको वीडियो के लिए कैमरा चाहिए और आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करनी है, the better answer is to borrow from your friends or a family. I have two tripods. One is this which is like for the short length and it also opens up like this so I can put it anywhere and shoot it. So I have this another tripod with GoPro and it becomes little longer in size. Quite good if you're shooting anything which is for vlogging because it covers more length, but since I don't do vlogging with GoPro, I didn't use this tripod that much. So this is my second camera. The third camera which I have is my favorite, the cutie one. It is Fujifilm's Instamax mini camera. It is very good to create memories. I have been using this for almost 2 to 3 years. The whole intention of getting this camera was to click pictures and put it on the world map on the places where I've traveled. So if you are into travel and if you like making memories, I will strongly suggest you to have this one. It is not that expensive. It is only around 4 to 5,000 and in a one roll you can click around 10 pictures. If you love creating memories, then this will be a best camera you can have in your bag. So one of my handy camera accessories is this Gorilla tripod. I have this tripod for almost 3 years now and I use it not just for my mobile phone but also for my camera. If you see the condition also, it's completely worn out because I have used it so much, and it is good because it can just go anywhere and you can put your camera and you can just shoot it without any problems. Unless and until I'm not doing anything which requires me to use the main tripod, which is like probably for a night photography or anything which requires a longer shutter speed, I basically use this one only because I find this more handy and it's easier to carry. Another thing which I have in my bag is a gift which I got and I use it whenever I do anything with related to photography. And this is basically a crystal ball which I got it as a gift for photography and it is good to click pictures of places. Another small photography equipment which I have. If you have friends and if they know you are into photography, ask for such gifts. drone photography is very in and it is awesome, and even I wanted to try that. And since I was not sure how much drone I'm going to use on my videos, I thought it's better to start with the base, just like how I did with my camera, that I started off with the base and then I upgraded to. So even in drone, I actually started off with base, and that's why I invested in DJI Stello drone. It's a very small drone, it doesn't go too high also, and the quality of the video is decent. I will not say it is very good. This is very lightweight and it looks like a toy drone. The only problem with this drone is that if there is wind, then the footage is very shaky. So this is what I invested. It costed around 10,000 bucks, and I thought if I'm starting off with drone, let me just put small money to test the water, and then later on, probably once I feel that it is giving me a better result and it is leading to a better quality of the video, then I will invest a 1 lakh of rupees to buy a bigger one. I also have Boya's mic, which is like a base entry level mic. Again, it's a very minimal investment. It is within 1,000 rupees. That is another accessories I have with regards to the vlogging and with regards to the photography. And if you follow my channel, you also know that I have 2 ring light, one from Shylock and Osaka, for which I did the review. I think most of the things which I have here are either a gift or borrowed item. Until and unless the channel doesn't really pick up, I'm not going to invest a lot of money, because I think this much investment over the period of time is already a lot of investment. So that's it for today's video. This is what I have in my camera bag. If you are looking at purchasing any of these things, then I will mention all the links in the description below. You can check it out and you can evaluate those products. Some of the products which I use are discontinued by the company, so these links I will not be able to include it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Give me a big thumbs up, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of e-travel fun.